Creating new sprints the conventional way can be cumbersome, especially if you need to customize the names, or create several sprints at a time. Look at our sprints for example. The name is a combination of week, the year, a sequence, and the start and end date, which can get a bit fiddly. After clicking the Create Sprint button, you have to click here to edit, and then change the name to what it should be. If you're generating sprints for the next few months, this can be a pain. Also, it's not at all fun. To make creating and maintaining sprints much easier, and more engaging, we wrote the Sprint Generator app. It lets you customize sprint names to suit your organization's needs, or shake things up a bit by using our inbuilt themes. The Sprint Generator app has two components. The top part of the screen displays your existing sprints and allows you to edit or delete them easily. Since sprints are linked to boards, which in turn define the filter determining which tasks will be visible in the sprint, the first step is to ensure that you have selected the correct board from the drop-down. To get a list of all sprints, select All Boards. Active sprints will be highlighted in green. You are also able to see if a sprint has any issues assigned to it, and by clicking the link you can see exactly what those issues are. It also lets you know if the sprint is used by more than one project. In the Action column, you have the option to edit the details for the sprint, or to delete it. Once either of these actions is clicked, the options change to accept or cancel. Let's fix the name and add a sprint goal to this one. To update Jira with these changes, click Accept, or cancel the action. If you are here to generate new sprints, you can minimize this section and focus on the area below.